Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use today first lecture is discuss here assemble. Okay, all today discuss here assemble point use in CATIA and how to easily assemble in all two or more than one design. 3D models learn easily. And guys, how to easily assemble a more than one design learn here, and one by one is a lecture is completed here, and today is discuss here first lecture is a, and today is introduction point all is assemble point is discuss here. Okay guys, at first drawing any 3D model, and into first today is a first lecture, and today is a introduction of assemble point, and all basic point is discussed here, and all basic command is learn here in assembly design. Okay, assembly design is in use in CATIA. Okay, at first draw any 3D model, and then a hexagon is used here, and this is a correct, and sum this. Okay, this length is a 30 is used here, and extrude, and okay, exit this extrude command is used here, and extrude command is a 40. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and okay, this body is a, okay, this is a correct, and this face is click here. Okay, and draw any circle this point, and circle is a this. Okay, this circle is a 35. Okay, this is a correct, 35 is nice. Exit, and okay, extrude command is used, and this is a 50. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, also length is more, 65 is correct, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, also this body is a 35 is correct. Okay, this is a, okay, no problem, but some fillet is used here, this, and this is a 5mm is radius, and this is correct. Okay, this is, and color is a, this is a color is a pink. Okay, also this pad is color is a, okay, this is a blue color is, and also this is color is a, okay, this is a red color is more. Okay, this is a perfect body, and this control S save here a part. Okay, parts 1. Okay, assembly assembly point. Okay, and then other parts is a, okay, this is a second part is used here. Click this plane is same here, this is XY plane, and this is a also is XY plane. Okay, and also use a hexagon plane, hexagon, and okay, this is a mention dimension, and dimension is a 35 is better, and 30 is also nice. Okay, exit, and also this extrude pad command is used here, this is a 40. Okay, this is a nice, and 40 is, this is a 30 is better. Okay, this is a correct. And also this face is used here, and use a circle, and circle is a, this mid point is a, okay, this diameter is a 35, means diameter is a 37 is correct. Okay, and okay, this is a extrude cut. Okay, and this is a 40 is also correct. This is a perfect. So nice. And also this fillet is used, and this face correct. Okay, and also this fillet is used, this face and correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, so nice. And also color is a, this is a color is a, this color is so nice. Okay, and also this face first and second both is a color is a, so okay, this color is apply here, this is a perfect. Okay, 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 this is a perfect. And Control S, save a part 2 assembly point. Okay, this is a save. Okay, perfect. And then cut here and use a assemble. Okay guys, assemble, this is assembly design is discussed here. And today is the first lecture is discussed here, and today first lecture and discuss here, and all point is assemble point is discussed here. And this is a nice lecture, and one by one is advanced level is discussed here today. Some basic point is used here. Okay, and at first select this is a assemble point, and first select going to tool and customize, and okay, because all command is not showing here, all command is missing point, but this process is used, all command is showing on the screen. Okay, this is a toolbar, and this is a restore all content. Okay, and this restore position. Okay, this is a perfect. And okay, any missing assembly command is used here, then this restore position is click here, then all command is showing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this command is very useful, and also this command is a nice. Okay, this command is okay, one by one is discussed here. This is a perfect. This is a perfect, and this command is a first, this is second. Okay, and also this command is a this. Okay, guys, at first this 3D model is this coming, this showing on the screen. At first this, at first point is a component, and second is product, third is part. Okay, one by one is discussed here. And second is existing component, and this is a existing component with positioning. Okay, and all is a very important, this is a coincidence constraint, and this is a contact constraint, this is a offset constraint, and this is a angle constraint, and fixed component. Okay, Okay, and this is a manipulation, and this component is a snap, and this component in the explode. Okay, then some point is used, then at first drawing a 3D body so on the screen. You can see here easily. At first existing component select here, and this part is select, then going to library. Okay, going to file selection, and this is a first part is drawing here, part 1. Okay, this is a part 1 and assembly. This is a part 1 assembly point is, and part 2 assembly. Okay, one by one discuss here. Click here, and this is a open. Okay, this is a okay, this is a perfect. And some point is used here. This is a fix component and use, and this is a fix component. Okay, this is a fix. Okay, and some is a discuss here, and this body is fix. Okay, and okay, next point is a again select here a existing component and select this. Okay, this is a not select here existing component and select this product. Okay, and again select a part 2. Okay, this is a part 2 assembly point is point. Okay, click okay, this is a perfect. And click a part number conflict. This is a automatic rename is select, and this is a okay, this body is correct. And okay, and second body is also mentioned here, also discuss here. Okay, at first select a manipulation and click this point is discuss here, and this is a click a Z direction, and this face is a select. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this two body is select here, and this two body is click here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and okay, this is a Y direction is select here. This is a Y direction, not anywhere move here. And X direction is also mentioned here. This is a X direction. Okay, this body is X direction. Okay, this perfect. This body is only X direction is move here, and degree of freedom is you can see here easily. And this Y direction is a correct. This is a Y direction. Okay, you can see here learn easily. And this is a Z direction. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is a drag along any axis. Okay, this is a any axis a drag. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and again select. Okay, this is a YZ or drag YZ plane. Okay, this is a YZ plane drag here, and this is a XY plane, and this is a YZ plane is drag here. Okay, YZ plane, and this is a YXZ plane is drag here. Okay, and okay, this point is rotate. This is a rotate. Okay, this is a body is rotate here. Okay, and okay, this body is X rotate, and this is a Y rotate. Okay, this is a Y rotate is you can see here easily. And this Z rotate is okay, this is a perfect rotating here. This body is a rotate, and this is a drag around any axis. Okay, this is a this axis, and this axis a drag here. Okay, this is a perfect any axis. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay guys, some important point is discussed here. And this body is a Y. Okay, this body is a this is a correct. And okay, some point is discussed here. This body is a drag here. Okay, this is a correct. And this is a Y axis. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, some point is discussed here. This is a nice. Okay, use undo. Okay, this is a perfect body. Some manipulation is used here. YZ direction is okay. This is a perfect. This is a perfect. Okay, and okay, some point is used. This is a coincidence point, and today discuss here. Some point is used. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay guys. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay guys. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a zoom out. Okay, okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, and second lecture is a discuss here. A point is coincidence and contract coincidence constraint, and this is a contact constraint. Okay, one by one is discussed here. And guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay, and guys, next lecture is coming soon, and one by one is discussed here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay guys, thank you.